In this video, I'll show you how to delete chats and messages on Microsoft Teams. Before we start, it's important to know that deleting a message and deleting a chat are not always the same thing in Teams. Microsoft says that in Teams, you can delete a message you personally sent, but whether you can delete an entire chat depends on the type of account and chat. For example, Teams Free supports deleting chats, while in work or school accounts, you may instead see options like hide, remove chat history for one-on-one chats, or leave for group and meeting chats. Let's start with deleting a message. Open Microsoft Teams and go to the chat or channel where your message appears. Find the message you sent, hover over it, and click More Options, which is the three-dot menu. Then choose Delete. Microsoft says you can only delete messages that you sent yourself, and in some organizations, this option may be limited by your IT admin. If you delete the wrong message, Teams may also give you an undo option right away. If you are using Teams on mobile, the process is similar. Open the chat, press and hold the message you sent, and then choose Delete. Microsoft's support page says this works for deleting your own chat messages on mobile as well. Now let's talk about deleting a whole chat. If you are using Microsoft Teams Free, Microsoft says you can delete one-on-one chats, group chats, and even meeting chats. Go to the Chat tab, find the conversation, then tap and hold it on mobile, or open its options on desktop and choose Delete. Microsoft also notes that this removes the chat for you, but shared content like calendar items may not be deleted automatically, and the other person can still keep their copy of the previous conversation history. For work or school accounts, the options are a little different. Microsoft says in one-on-one chats, you may see hide or remove chat history. In group or meeting chats, you may see leave instead. Removing chat history only applies to you, and the other person still sees the conversation. Also, if you are the meeting owner, you may not be able to leave the meeting chat. One last thing to remember is that some messages can disappear because of company retention policies or admin actions, not because you deleted them yourself. Microsoft says admins can also remove messages, and deleted messages from retention policies usually can't be recovered. So, the basic idea is simple. Delete your own messages from the message menu. And for chats, use delete, hide, remove chat history, or leave, depending on your Teams account and chat type. That's how to delete chats and messages on Microsoft Teams. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.